Hi everyone, and welcome to our QuickLabel QL-850 video tutorial on how to load and unload label material. Ensure that your roll is flat on both sides. For gap labels, make sure to cut a gap between the labels using scissors. Don't rip it with your hands, as that may expose the adhesive to the printer. For labels with a black mark, ensure to cut in the middle of the black mark. Open the top cover of the printer. Remove the outer flange from the unwinder. Turn the knob on the unwinder counterclockwise. Load the roll into the unwinder and make sure that it touches the inner flange. Tighten the knob on the unwinder to secure the roll of labels. Insert the inner flange, flat side first, and then tighten it. Lift the pinch roller with the green handle and load your media and make sure that it's aligned with the fixed side. Also, ensure to feed enough through that you're aligned with the yellow edge on the transport unit. Rotate the unwinder backward to take up any slack between the unwinder and the pinch roller. Set the media guide to be close to the label, but not pressing on it. Then close the top cover. The printer will make a beeping sound and advance the material a little bit. On the front of the printer, move the media guide to the right side, and then adjust it later depending on the width of your printed material. To unload your label roll, make sure that you first cut the label material. To cut your material, press and hold the cut button. Now you'll need to back up the material. Press and hold on the right button. Hold the button down until the material backs up. Then release the button and push it down one more time to back up the material all the way out of the printer. Now you can remove your label material. And that's it. Now you know how to load and unload label material on the QuickLabel QL-850. For additional tech support videos, please visit our video playlist online. If you have any questions, please feel free to call our tech support or visit us at astronovaproductid.com. Thanks and have a great day.